Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Nemo, and in this video I'm not going to talk about the Røde microphones NT1-A studio kit, but I'm going to travel to another city and to record some of my new cover songs. And I thought I cannot take this microphone with this box with me, so I put it aside because accidentally in near local shop store here in Norway, which is very popular, it is called Claes Olsen. I found this safe case. You can see the size 4132 in and multiply 18 centimeter, which is perfectly great for my microphone. And these safe boxes or safe cases are water, dust, and impact resistant, and they have automatic pressure relief valve. I don't know what IP65 means at the moment, and these cases are in different sizes. I thought this one suits me. Heavy duty handle, toggle latches, which is basically the locks on this safe, and shock absorption foam inside, which we're going to looking at in a moment. And I think IP65 means waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. It's a code, maybe a standard code for this kind of safe cases. And a little bit more explanation on the back side, and at the right bottom you can see Claes Olsen watermark. So I'm going to open it. And on the base you have this form. You can shape them, you can some kind of scoop them, and on the top you have egg crate foams. I'm not very familiar with the material. I think you can see you can shape them. It's like a puzzles, but you cannot do it with your hands. I'm going to do it with this kitchen knife. Very unprofessional, but this is what I have at the moment. And I'm going to do it off screen because it's my first time. I have to find it myself. So this is the result. There is a layer of foam or layers of foam at the bottom of the case, but the other part, which is the formable foam, you can choose either to remove it all when you scoop, when you form it based on your microphone, camera, whatever you have. So you can choose either to remove it all, or you can choose to remove part of it. For me, it was easier to remove it all and then use the same foam to put it as a platform, or make it like to make it higher. But for the shock mount, I chose to remove it all. So let's see how it goes with microphone and shock pop filter. So I'm going to shape or scoop the place for microphone and pop filter off screen, and these are the things I'm just going to throw away. Yeah, as you can see, everything is done. I didn't want that microphone go very deep inside this safe box in this part, so I used some of these foams um, to make it like a platform, to make it a little bit higher, so microphone stands like this. And the same things with the pop filter. Safely you can close the box and lock it with these toggle latches, and you can see there is no damage to the microphone or pop filter, not a scratch. And I'm going to safely travel with this. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. Till next time, take care.